The deep squat might not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about staying young and healthy. In fact, many people avoid it altogether. But the truth is, when practiced correctly and consistently, it can be one of the most powerful tools to maintain mobility, strength, and independence as you age. Picture this: a toddler at play. They effortlessly drop into a deep squat to pick up a toy, maintaining perfect posture without a second thought. That movement is completely natural for them, and it's exactly how the human body was designed to function. Unfortunately, somewhere along the way, we lose this ability. By the time most people reach their 40s, 50s, or 60s, they can no longer squat deeply, and often they avoid it entirely. Why does this happen? It's usually not because of bad knees, stiff hips, or simply being too old. The true culprit is inactivity. Years spent sitting in chairs, leaning over screens, and neglecting lower body strength slowly weaken the very muscles that keep us mobile and capable. This gradual decline makes the deep squat feel impossible, and so it gets avoided even more. Here's the thing: the deep squat itself isn't dangerous. What's dangerous is losing the ability to do it. When you can no longer squat deeply, you begin to compensate in ways that take a toll on your body. You start relying on your hands to get up from the floor. You bend at your back instead of at your hips, straining your spine. You take smaller steps and move less freely. Over time, these small changes impact not just how you move, but your independence. But there's good news. The deep squat can reverse all of this. Performed correctly, it activates almost every major muscle group in your lower body, including your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and core. It also stretches your hips, knees, and ankles while waking up your spine. It teaches balance, coordination, and control, all in one movement. This is why the deep squat is such a powerful anti-aging tool. By restoring full range of motion in the hips, knees, and ankles, you regain the ability to move more naturally and comfortably. Everyday activities, sitting down, getting up, bending, lifting, become easier and less likely to cause injury. You'll also reduce stiffness that can build up from long periods of sitting. The benefits go even further. Because squats train such a large portion of your body at once, they help build muscle mass that can fight off sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle that weakens many people as they grow older. Better muscle mass means better support for your joints, stronger bones, and improved metabolism. Practicing deep squats regularly also sharpens your balance and coordination, which greatly reduces the risk of falls, a major concern for older adults. Some people worry that squatting is hard on the knees, but that's a myth. When done with proper form, the squat actually strengthens the muscles around the knee joints, making them more stable and resilient. At the same time, it engages the core muscles, which helps support the spine and combats the rounded forward hunched posture that so many people develop as they age. Even holding a deep squat for just 30 seconds has powerful effects. It increases blood flow to the lower body, boosts circulation, and decompresses the abdominal area, which can even aid digestion. In this way, the deep squat is like brushing your teeth. If you skip it for a few days, you may feel a bit stiff, but if you ignore it for years, you start to lose vital function. On the other hand, if you make it a daily habit, you'll move better, feel better, and age more gracefully. One of the best things about this exercise is that you don't need any special equipment, nor do you need to go to a gym. You can start practicing at home right now. Here's how. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight as you slowly lower yourself, as though you're sitting down between your heels. Don't worry if you can't go very low at first. Just go as deep as you comfortably can while maintaining good form. Hold the position and breathe deeply. Then, with control, rise back up to a standing position. If you're just starting out, aim for 5 to 10 repetitions, or simply hold the squat position for 30 to 60 seconds at a time, a few times per day. If you need extra support, use a wall, chair, or sturdy object to steady yourself. Over time, your body will adapt. The changes you'll notice can be remarkable. Tasks that once felt difficult, getting up from the floor, picking up heavy bags of groceries, or playing with children or grandchildren, will start to feel easier again. Your body will feel stronger and more capable. This is the essence of why the deep squat is so important. It's not just an exercise, it's a fundamental movement pattern that keeps the body functioning as it was meant to. Yet, despite all of its benefits, most people never do it. They avoid it out of fear, discomfort, or the belief that it's not necessary. But by avoiding it, they only accelerate the loss of strength and mobility that comes with aging. Bringing the deep squat back into your life can change that. It can restore your ability to move freely and confidently. It can help you maintain independence as you grow older. It can help you stand tall, upright, and strong for years to come. Don't ignore this simple yet transformative movement. Start practicing it today, even if only for a few seconds at a time. Over weeks and months, your flexibility, strength, and balance will improve. You'll feel more capable in your daily life, and you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to age as well as possible. The deep squat isn't complicated, but its impact is profound. It's about more than just exercise. It's about maintaining the ability to live fully without limits. Most people will overlook it, but you don't have to. Reclaim the deep squat. Reclaim your strength. Age the way you were meant to, upright, confident, and unstoppable. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting fact.